Thank you for being here. I'm excited to introduce you to Prime Systems, a global leader in industrial equipment manufacturing and system integration. At Prime Systems, our strength lies in uniting hardware and software to create smart, efficient, and scalable industrial solutions. We don't just build machines, we build intelligent systems that communicate, adapt, and perform seamlessly across your operations. Our expertise spans key areas like data systems, control systems, SCADA, and ERP integration. What makes us unique is how we bring all of these technologies together to work as one powerful, interconnected solution. Behind our innovation is a world-class team. Our R&D engineers in mainland China and Taiwan focus on building advanced hardware and mechanical systems with unmatched precision. In parallel, our software and network team in the United States develops cutting-edge platforms that tie everything together, from real-time monitoring to enterprise integration. This global collaboration allows us to deliver tailored solutions for businesses of all sizes, systems that reduce downtime, boost productivity, and help you make smarter decisions, faster. At Prime Systems, we don't just provide equipment, we become your strategic partner in digital transformation. Whether you're upgrading a single line or building a full-scale automated facility, we're here to help you every step of the way. Because when your systems run better, your business grows stronger, and your success becomes our mission. Let's build the future together. Thank you.